Welcome dear viewers to the Encylo-Preneur channel. Hope you're all doing good. So in this video, for the first time, we're gonna review a gadget. The name of the gadget is Zook 2-in-1 Bluetooth headphones and speaker. So I've ordered this through Amazon, and this is the box that we are having. So let's quickly unbox it and just check what are the elements inside this. And do share with your friends if you find this video useful to them. So this invoice. So this is the Zook 2-in-1 headphone and speaker. So it has its own specifications and features mentioned. So wasting little time, let's open the box. Just hiding it. Headphones coming out first. It's pretty sleek, decent design, pretty much compact. You can measure the size, length and breadth, and it's very compact, space saving. And apart from this, you will have the user guide, the warranty card, aux cable when you don't have the Bluetooth connectivity or devices, or you're running out of juice, or you're running out of charge, fuel, and you have this USB port for charging. So this is the complete package. So viewers, this is the Zook 2-in-1 Bluetooth headphones and speaker. This is how the external appearance looks like. Let's start with the outlook first. It has the brand name on the headband plus Jazz Duo, the model given on the one side of the air pillow, and the other side will have the seal, come the product code numbers will be all mentioned over there. And this is how the entire design looks like. This was spongy, it's very good to use on ears. And let's have the main features where you have the Bluetooth headphone, Bluetooth speaker, FM radio, SD card can be inserted and you can hit some music through that. And let's see the features and the options which are available on the sides. So let's start on one side where the interesting feature comes. This button is the magical one where you get the toggle switch that switches from speaker to headphones. And of course there's a Zook logo on either side of the speaker. The speaker capacity is 3 watts, and the headphones can go both wire and wireless to Bluetooth devices of all types, and you can connect through aux cable when you don't have the charge. So now the other side of the headphones is loaded with a lot of options. Let's start with the first thing. Here you go, the mic. Then you have this on-off switch, 3.5mm audio jack, the micro USB port, and this is the magical disc type button. It is having lots of features. Let me just come closer. There's a play, pause, and forward backward of songs. You can increase the volume, and the interesting part is you can change over from a device to FM radio, and last you have the card slot here. So hopefully it's visible to you. And here we go, this is the call receive button. I can press and show it's having good press. And let's speak about the another important and interesting feature of this. Through this you can have a musical share. Once you connect your Bluetooth device with this, you start hearing songs to speaker or the headphones, and the 3.5mm jack has an inbuilt splitter through which you can insert your another earphones or wired headsets or earphones, whatever it is, and the other person can listen the same song to it. And coming to the battery capacity, it is 300 mAh, 100 hours of standby time is being mentioned. Let's have a performance analysis after this video. I'll be posting it very soon, so stay tuned. We can analyze what all the options which have been mentioned are true to its worth or not. Then coming to the standby time, and after that the playback time for headphones, they have mentioned it is 8 to 10 hours based on the playtime. Then you have the speakers which can run up to 2 to 4 hours based on the same high and low volume capacity. So it's pretty much lightweight. I feel it's about 135 grams. It's been mentioned, and the air pillow is also soft, leatherette, comfortable, portable, and it can be collapsed, as you can see. And I bought this to Amazon, as I told you in the first portion of the video. You can also get it through Kartmy. That's one more platform. It is not available in Flipkart. And this Zook is a French design company, and it has a warranty of 1 year with service centers all over India. The website of Zook India, it is being seen in all social network platforms including Instagram and all. So overall, Zook has come up with a good budgetary feature loaded headphone with the additional speaker option as well. Guys, let's hit some music, check the options. What are the options, does what. So I've already paired a mobile through this. Let me hit some songs. Okay, so I'm just turning this on. Now it is in the speaker mode. As you could see, it has
the wireless device is ready to be paired.
It has an
The
inbuilt
wireless device has connected
my
successfully.
computer voice. So let's changing it. Change it. Okay, there's an ad playing. God, Geo7. So now what I'm planning is I'll keep this aside. I'll connect my mic, and this ads everywhere. So I'm just talking this to earphones. So this is how much sleek it is. Collapsible too, so it's easier to travel and take this. Okay, so cheers. It's a very good buy to buy under 1,500. It keeps changing every day. I got through Amazon for 800 bucks, so 800 rupees. So just checking the website, and whenever the rates come down, you can have a quick look of it. And stay tuned. If you find this what we like, just give a like, thumbs up, then comment and give your feedbacks, and do share with your friends, and do subscribe us, stay connected with us for future videos. Thank you.